This facility is the high pressure industrial water facility. We have 10 5,000 horsepower diesel engines, 10 split case pumps that are capable of over 30,000 gallons per minute each. So if you think about it, we have the capability to pump over 300,000 gallons per minute. If you think about a gallon of milk, 300,000 of those in 1 minute. So we pump from this facility to the test stands and it goes into the flame bucket, but then it migrates back into the canal system. So it's more or less recycling itself. This facility currently supports various test stands within the A and B complex. NASA uses this facility to test their RS-25 engines, the A1 test stand, and we also used this facility previously to test the core stage at the B2 test stand. So our propellants are liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen, and when we mix them together in our rocket engine and we combust them, we will create about 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit in temperature, and well, it's very important so that we don't burn our test stands down. We use it for fire suppression while we're rocket testing. We also use it for sound suppression. And when we're shooting water into 6,000 degrees, we will vaporize that water, turn it into steam. It will rise and create localized rain clouds. It's just water. This project here is going to be promoting reliability of this new 3,000 GPM pump. The old one had reached its end of life, so it was in our best interest. We had funding available to change it out, and it makes us feel a little better about our fire suppression in time of need. The reservoir is 800 feet in diameter and about 25 feet deep. The reservoir holds 66 million gallons. We have about 22 million gallons of usable water. For this project, we pumped out about 40 million gallons. When we cut the pipe, the reducer, we didn't have any isolation valves to prevent the water head from pushing water this way. So we had to lower the reservoir below the suction line of the pipe so that these guys could work on the pipe, replace the pipe, and replace the pump. We rented 6 2,000 to 3,000 GPM pumps. We stuck them on top of the reservoir up here. We installed riprap on the bottom near the base of the reservoir so that we would not have a bunch of erosion when we're pushing all that water out. We are replacing the 3,000 gallon per minute pump. Our new pump is going to have a 14-inch suction line. So we are going to increase the pipe size, and we're going to install a new 14-inch isolation valve, and then from the isolation valve into the new 14-inch suction side of the pump. This is the best job ever. We really enjoy this. It's exciting, it's humbling, it's thrilling. To be able to be around these types of machines and equipment, it's not just the machines, the people. These are some of the best and brightest people that I've ever had the opportunity to work with. So systems that we have here they're not anywhere else in the United States. So when people want a rocket test, they have to come here.